so deep inside, and I love my life.
F-U-N-G-I, Fungi. F-U-N-G-I, Fungi. Hey Max, look! It's the Fungihouse fishing contest this weekend.
Every year, your dad and mine win. It's always the same. I just go for the fish dinner afterwards.
I know! Why don't we enter this year? Imagine our dad's surprise if we won!
Would it be happy surprise or sad surprise?
We're doing it! This is so exciting! What made me think fishing would be fun? Is there a quicker way of doing this?
This is the only way I know. I don't think we're going to win, Frida.
Oh, it's so dull. All the action's underwater.
Now that was worth waiting for.
Oh well, there'll be plenty to eat at Luciano's fish and fungi dinner anyway, Max. Max?
I see. I think it's what he's doing with his rod.
Oh, I'll get us some smoothies.
Hey, Nisa! How do you catch a great fish like that?
Sorry, Max. There are no secrets, no shortcuts. Your dad and I just have a lot of experience, don't we, Tom? We do, Nisa? We do. The fish won't just jump into your basket. Perseverance is what pays. Hey, Max, you have more chance of winning than he does, turning up so late in the day.
Still nothing?
Thanks. Still nothing. Let's find a better spot.
I'm already bored again.
Frida, the fish won't just jump into your basket. You have to put the time in. There are no shortcuts. How has that guy caught so many fish already? He's only just got here.
I want to fish where he's sitting, Max. Let's move there.
Frida! Max! How's the fishing?
Alan! I thought we caught a huge whale. I'm glad it's you.
Martha invited us for the fish and fungi dinner, but I see we're early and perhaps stopping dinner being caught.
See you then. Max and I'll just carry on not catching any fish.
Say, would you like to come aboard? Then at least you can look at the fish.
Dad! Tom! Can we go inside?
Oh,
course.
yeah.
Have
I don't
fun.
see why not.
See you at dinner.
We'll see you later.
Hello, Bella and Louis.
Hello. A fish-eyes view, eh?
That's not the kind of bait my dad uses.
Maybe that's why he doesn't use it.
Oh, that's a tasty-looking sole. I'm getting hungry, huh?
I think he heard you.
Is Luciano's fish cooking as good as your grandmother says, Frida?
Maybe even better.
That's because I usually help him. I make the salad.
Max, the seaweed for Anna's salad. Oh, we have to get some of the kind she likes. She's a vegetarian. Can you help us find some, Alan?
Crew, commence Seaweed Patrol!
I might not be good at catching fish, but I'm great at catching seaweed. Here, your turn, Frida.
Look, a big net of fish. What's that doing there?
That's not good. There are goba-goba fish inside.
But They're not supposed to be caught. They're endangered, aren't they?
Exactly so, Max. And these big nets are not allowed either. Something's not right here.
There's a diver! He's taking fish to the surface!
He's cheating. I bet he's with the guy with the sunglasses.
Alan, is there something you can do? Anything!
Entrance of the fishing contest. There will be a short break while some cheats are ejected. Whoa! Excelente! I'm a genius. Come here. Mwah.
Is it good? Oh, the most delicious seaweed. Oh, thank you. Everyone is talking about how you and Max saved the contest. Your mom and dad are very proud.
Could we have quiet for just a moment, please? We still have 2 other fish to serve up tonight. Isn't that right, Tom? Nisa?
2 more fish? Who cooked them? Only Luciano cooks the fish at the Fish on a Fungi dinner.
Not that kind of fish, Luciano. Max and Frida, this year, you're the real winners. Well done for stopping the cheat.
We caught fish!